Welcome to Block 11 Notes and Practice. And this is where we're really going to start focusing more on our compound probability. Remember, you must always find the total of each outcome first, and then critically read what is it they're asking you to find. So on this first one, it says there are 15 playing cards in a bag. So our total is going to be 15. And then they're asking, telling you that 6 of them are kings. So there are 6 kings, and there are 4 aces, and then there are 5 queens. So if we add these all up, we should get 15 as our total. Now, Jay picks 1 card from the bag, but he doesn't replace it, means he doesn't put it back. So if there were 15 in there and he pulls one out and he doesn't put it back, how many are left in the bag? There should only be 14 left in the bag. So first we start out with 15, and then we'll have only 14 when we pull it a second time. So if he pulls an ace, we look here, we have 4 aces, but then that's the first try. That's only the first try. What about on the second try? Well, now remember, there are only 14 cards left in the bag because he already pulled out an ace. So what's the probability of him pulling out a king on the second try? Well, if we look, we only have 6 kings. So now we're going to multiply these together to get our total probability. So if you need to, you can pull up a calculator and you can do 4 times 6, which is 24. And then we have to do the big one on the bottom, multiply our denominators, 15 times 14, which is 210. Now it didn't ask us to simplify, so we can leave it like that if we'd like. So now you need to do the same thing for the probability of a queen and an ace, and then a king and an ace. Now remember, the first time you pull, there are 15 in the bag, but the second time there will only be 14. So make sure you find the probabilities for each selection and then move on. For B, on the table at your neighbor's house, there is a candy jar with 50 jelly beans. So we already know that our total is 50. 24 are red, 16 are green, 10 are yellow. So I'm going to write these here because it makes it better for my eyes. And 10 are yellow. So if you close your eyes and you reach in to find one, the neighbor lets you reach in again without looking. What is the probability of getting the following? So you reach one in and it doesn't say that you put it back. So we're going to assume that you don't put it back. So of course you're going to start off with the total of 50. You're going to multiply that by the total of 49 in the end. So pulling a red, 24, and then pulling another red. Remember, one red's already out. So now there are less reds. There's one less. So now we just multiply straight across. So let me go here to my calculator, and I got 24 times 23, 552. And then I have to multiply 50 times 49, and that's 2450. It doesn't tell me to simplify anywhere in this story problem, so I'm going to leave that as my final answer. So you'll also need to do the same thing for these as well. C and D, it's the same type of process. You just got to critically read what it is that they're having you do. Good luck.